Peace and innumerable blessings. My name is Jeannette, and welcome to this video where I'm going to support you in working through Pisces Last Quarter Moon energy. Through a simple ritual you can share with your kids. Share with the children. If they're old enough to go, this ritual is for y'all, right? This is a ritual for you and the babies. Y'all can blow bubbles. You got this. So, let's go to the ritual. So the ritual is to blow bubbles. The last quarter moon is a wonderful time for healing, for cleansing, for letting go, for just straight up moving on. And there's a lot to move on from. There's a lot to let go of. Times are changing. So I would invite you and your kid who can blow some bubbles to think about, just talk to them. What are some things that you would like know more of? What are some things that bother you? What are some things you just don't want more of, or it just feels like it's time to let go? Think of those things, right? And as you decide what it is, imagine blowing it into the bubble, and then blow the bubble, and then let it go. Imagine giving the bubble back. In the bubble, you give it back to spirit for spiritual recomposting. So you can, start to bring in some new stuff that you guys do like, that you guys do want, that you guys will very much enjoy. This Pisces last quarter moon is also a good time to look at for yourself and for your family, like what sort of things are you devoted to? And it may not necessarily be something as simple as we're devoted to justice. Really think about what your actions say that you are devoted to and your values are, because there's an opportunity to kind of course correct and reground into something different if that's what you'd like. Also be willing to look around ideas of nourishment, because this is all build up for the Cancer, so the solar eclipse and the new moon in Cancer, and making sure that when it comes, since it's in the sign of Cancer, which is very much about nurturing and family, all hands are on deck and you and the kiddos are ready. It's good to be ready. So many things are kind of it's nice to be ready for some stuff. But first, think about things that you want to cleanse out, things you want to let go of, and blow it in the bubble and blow it away. I put some a link for some bubble solution if you're the person who likes to make bubble solution. I'm not that gifted. If you find I don't want to blow bubbles, that's cool. What you could do is if you have a bunch of the puffy headed dandelions are great for wish magic. So I wish no more of this. I wish this to go away, and blow on the dandelion and know that the dandelion is taking it away from you and will sow the seeds of things that you do want. All right. That's that. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and share and subscribe. If you really dig it, just come over to Patreon, be my patron. That's it. Thanks so much. I will see you guys next week for the Cancer new moon and solar eclipse. Wow, time is flying. I can't believe it's mid-June. What the heck? Anyway, see you next week. Peace.